Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable comments on your WordPress blog post quickly and easily. Let's begin. First, open your browser, head to your WordPress website, and log in with your account. In your dashboard, I want you to go to the post section over here, and then make sure it's all posts selected. Then check the boxes next to all the posts where you want to disable comments, okay? We can easily click on here so we can select all of them. So this will enable the bulk actions, okay? And from here, I want you to click on this drop down and select edit. Then click on apply over here and you will see extra settings. From here, find the comments option, all right? And choose do not allow. Then make sure to click on update over here to save your changes. And that's it. You have now disabled comments on your WordPress post in just a few clicks. I hope you found this video very helpful.